Alright, here we go. 2020 Select Football Premium Packs working. $7 or $12. 7 spots, 12 divisions. Premium Mini Helmet. The Blaster, Random Blaster, Mystery Blaster. $8, 10 spots. Multi-sport jersey has 17. So that's what's cooking. Alright, Armando 1, Andres 1, Charles 1, Vinny D 2, Alex with 5. Jedediah Toller with 3, Blake 2, Chris 2, Tristan 2, Corey 3, Brian Jeremy, Justin 3, Blake 2, and Ken with 3. Alright guys, let's randomize it up. Randomize it up and see what we got. Let's see what we got. Alright, here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Corey, you're on top, 5 times there. Charles, you're on the bottom. 2020 guys, very hot rookie class. Love, Herbert, Burrow, Jefferson, Love. A lot of hot rookies in here. Alex, I'll group you guys together. Alex, Falcons, Colts, Chargers, Vikings, Niners. Andres, Cowboys, Armando, Titans, Blake, Ravens, Patriots, Saints, Bucks, Brian, Lions, Charles, Skins, Christopher Johnson, Chiefs, Jets, Corey, Cardinals, Bills, Packers, Jedediah, Panthers, Browns, Steelers, Jeremy, Patrick, Bears, Justin Lee, Yags, Raiders, Giants, Ken, Texans, Rams, Dolphins, you got Tua, Tristan, Bengals, Seahawks, Burrow, Vinny D, Broncos, Eagles, you got Hurts. So, any trades here, guys? Any trades? Any trades? Let me know. Lions for Vikings. Shot in the dark. Lions for Vikings. Alright, let's do it, guys. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Oh my god, dude, they've shot so many threes in this Lakers game. Austin Reeves is cooking. Sealed up, sealed up. He's got 10 threes. 28. DraftKings did that thing. If you bet 10, you get $1 per 3 back. They've made 28 threes. Right now, it's up to everyone's getting $28. Oh, Jason Tatum. $28 in free play just from threes. Still another quarter. Okay, everyone's gonna get $40 back. And they keep cooking them. Oh, Al Horford got this too. Need Porzingis to stop sucking. Alright, good luck, guys. $20.20. These have been marinating. Brady, Raekwon Davis, Namath, Huntley. I'll sleeve him after. Brady. Zeke. Drew Brees. Oh, very nice. T. Higgins numbered. T. Higgins at a 355 and a nice CeeDee Lamb. Nice T. Higgins rookie numbered card at a 355. Nice hit there. Going out to the Bengals. We have hit autos. We've hit Hurts autos out of here. There are autos in here. Nice CeeDee Lamb. You know what? I am going to sleeve these as we go. Drew Brees. Base. JT, I forgot about JT's in here too. Regar. Jeff Okuda, not number. Regar, JT. '2020, guys. You never know what's popping out of here. Very strong rookie class. Very strong rookie class. Premium packs, guys. 12 bucks a spot. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? What is going on? KJ Hamler, Josh Jacobs, not numbered. Hester, Saquon. Jacobs, Hamler. Nick Chubb, Okuda, we got a silver. Let's go. Let's go. Nice Herbert silver. Love that. Love that. Prism silver. A beautiful card. Beautiful. Herbert silver. 2020, guys. Very, very hot rookie class. Very, very nice. Herbert silver. Love to see that. Who has the Chargers? Alex T.I.J. Jeff Okuda. Nice die cut there. Danny Dimes. Put him in base pile. Very nice. Herbert. Like I said, guys, autos in here, so you never know. You get yourself a Burrow auto. Herbert, Tua. Golds, you never know. Andy Golden, Michael Pittman. I forgot about Michael Pittman's in here too. Drew Brees, Gibson. A lot of studs. Studs, and more studs. Usually there's two number cards. So far I got a T. Higgins rookie die cut out of 50. Oh, there's another number card right there. Vance Jefferson. Trayvon Diggs. Another nice card for the boys. Jared Goff die cut out of 355. And Lawrence. Trayvon Diggs. Van Jefferson. Porzingis. Oh, we had it. Premium packs are cooking. Damn. Ruiz cooking too. Troy Polamalu. Brandon Ayuk, another hot rookie. Joe Burrow, another nice rookie. John Elway. I forgot how loaded this 2020 class was. Jesus. That's why these megas hold a lot of value in them, especially Select Prism. We'll get him case for the Super Bowl. For the Super Bowl. One more pack. Diggs, Pittman, Taylor, Lamb, Brady. I think I have a 2020 mosaic working too, like this. Mosaics are tough. Tyler Johnson rookie. Nick Chubb. Not numbered. Brady and Emmanuel Sanders. Last pack, guys. Here we go. AJ Brown, Jason Witten. Oh, nice Brandon Silver. AJ Espinoza. Nice Ayuk Silver. This is Concourse. Alright. Nice Ayuk. Nice value there, guys. A lot of nice value. Burrow, Higgins, Herbert Silver, Ayuk Silver, Ayuk die cut, Goff numbered. Brady, Diggs, Pittman, Taylor, CD, Brady. A lot of nice cards there. Put those on top of those. 2 Ayuks, Burrow, Higgins, Goff, and a Herbert Silver. The ones in cases I'm gonna mark. We'll get them shipped out for you. All right, guys. Very, very nice break. Very pleased with the mojo coming out of there. All right. I don't know why it says that. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Who has who? Chargers, Alex T.I.J. Very nice Herbert. La Rams. Kenny. Alright, Ken. Nice Jared Goff, man. At a 355. The Bengals. Tristan. Alright, man. Nice Bengals. Nice Burrow. Nice Higgins. San Fran. Alex T.I.J. Nice, man. Very nice there. Alright, guys. Nice select break. Very nice select break there. Okay. Premium packs working. 12 bucks. 7 divisions. We got that cooking. Premium mini helmet. 25 multi-sport blaster. If you guys want to get something else going, I'm down for it. Alright, guys. Very nice select break. Thank you.